Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Seven Deadly Sins Origin. It's not out yet until the 23rd of March, but let's talk about rerolling in so you can get the best characters from the start. Now, rerolling might sound complicated, but it's actually just restarting the game until your first summons give you the characters you really want. It's a trick a lot of gacha players use, and it can save you a ton of time and frustration in the early game. Now, the key is to start as a guest account and skip all the cutscenes and tutorials so you can reach your first summon as fast as possible. And while you're doing that, you want to grab all the beginner rewards like pre-registration gifts, daily login bonuses, and quest rewards. And these will give you extra tickets or crystals so you can do multiple summons right away. Now, when it's time to summon, focus on the featured or beginner banners and use everything you've earned. Go for strong DPS characters or supports. They'll make your early gameplay way smoother. Now, if your pulls aren't that great, no worries. Just reset your account and try again. The faster you do this, the quicker you'll get a powerful starting team. One tip to make rerolling faster is to turn up your text speed. Also, skip unnecessary dialogues and keep on top of your rewards. And once you finally get the team you want, make sure to link your account to save your progress so you don't lose it. And basically, that's it. Follow this method and you'll start your adventure in 7 Deadly Sins Origin with a strong team, ready to dominate the early game and enjoy the story. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!